Yes, good morning all of you. Look at this picture better. And can you tell me in which picture the safety rules are being followed? You have to write in the chat box. Look at the image. Look at this picture. Can you tell me in which image, in which picture the safety rules are being followed? किस पिक्चर में सेफ्टी रूल्स फॉलो हो रहे हैं? Write it in the chat box. Yes. Uh, yes, very good. The boy who is running on the stairs, is he following the safety rules? No. Okay, he may fall. He is not following the safety rules. But the other boy who is moving very carefully, he is following the safety rules. Clear? And see the other one. See, the students are in a queue to fill the water. This is where the safety rules are being followed. Okay? And what about the students who are playing in the classroom? They are uh, playing on the benches. Is it safe? No, it's not safe. Rajdeep ma'am, I think chat is disabled. Kindly allow them to chat with everyone. Yes, beta. If students who are playing in the, is it safe to play in the classroom? No. Where should we play? In the playground. And in the playground, we should follow the safety rules. We should also follow the safety rules when we are in the classroom, at home, in the corridors. Everywhere we should follow the safety rules in order to avoid accidents. Why should we follow the safety rules? हमें safety rules क्यों follow करने चाहिए? In order to avoid accidents. Clear? We should not use the sharp objects like that boy is using. We should not play in the classroom. Okay? We may hurt ourselves. We should not run on the stairs. We should be very careful. Clear? Why should we follow the safety rules? In order to avoid accidents. In order to avoid accidents. And an accident can be minor or it may result in sprains, broken bones, injuries or even death. कुछ एक्सीडेंट्स माइनर होती हैं, वी गेट ओनली स्क्रैचेस, हमारे उंगली खरोच आती है, कि माइनर एक्सीडेंट्स होते हैं, बट समटाइम्स सीरियस प्रॉब्लम मे बी देयर. स्प्रेन्स मीन्स पैर मुड़ जाता है, स्वेलिंग हो जाती है जॉइंट्स में, ब्रोकन बोन्स मीन्स फ्रैक्चर हो जाता है, एंड देयर मे बी सम फेटल इंजरीज ऑल्सो, मीन्स person may die due to heavy bleeding also. So to avoid accidents, we must be very careful. Okay, we should be very careful in order to avoid accidents. Now, some accidents need an immediate help or first aid. Okay, when accident occur, we have to provide help to the injured person. Rajdeep ma'am, kindly allow chat. Then what do you mean by the first aid? What is first aid? First aid, it is an immediate help given to an injured person before the arrival of a doctor. Okay.
Ma'am, check please.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. When someone gets injured, किसी को चोट लगती है, the first help given to that injured person is called first aid. Aid means help. First means the first help given to a person who is injured is called first aid. And we must know how to help an injured person. Okay. This we will learn in this chapter, that is chapter number 3, safety and first aid. We will learn how to help the injured person, or first aid is different for different cases. It is not same for all the cases. In all the accidents, first aid should be given, but it should be, you must know how to help that person in that very case. Clear? We will learn all about in this chapter, and this is important. Now, first of all, we will talk about safety from fire. Okay, and most of the fire occur while working in the kitchen. किचन में हम एलपीजी सिलेंडर होता है ना, हम गैस स्टोव ऑन करते हैं, तो मोस्ट ऑफ द एक्सीडेंट्स दे अकर while working in the kitchen or while using the electric gadgets. So what should we do? In the kitchen, we should use proper cloth or duster to hold the hot pans. Hot pans को hold करने के लिए क्या चाहिए हमें? Proper duster, proper cloth. It should be made up of cotton. What will happen if it is synthetic? Write it in the chat box. Yes, what will happen if you use a synthetic duster in the kitchen? It will catch fire. Very good. Okay, it will catch fire and there may be an accident. So we should have a proper duster and we should not use our own clothes. Sometimes होता है ना, when we don't find any duster nearby, तो we use our dupatta, okay, or any other clothes. That is also not good. It may cause an accident. So we should keep a proper cloth in the kitchen to hold the hot pans. Okay. Then get all the electric gadgets checked. Time to time we should check the electrical gadgets जो भी हम use करते हैं. Can you name electrical gadgets which we use in the kitchen? It is grinder, mixture, oven. Okay. So all these gadgets we should check time to time. If there is crack in the plastic covering, so we should get it replaced. We should get it repaired. Fridge also, oven, very good. Electric kettle is there. Many gadgets are there which we use in the kitchen. So we should check them properly. If they need some repair, if insulation is not proper, जो उनकी wires के ऊपर plastic covering है, if it is having a crack, so we should replace that gadget. We should repair that. We should replace the wire. Clear? Woolen also catches fire. Cotton is the best. In case of gas leakage, what will happen if there is gas leakage? It may cause a blast. Okay, it may cause an accident. It may cause a fire. So what should we do? We should open all doors and windows. में सभी doors, windows, सबसे पहले doors और windows खोल देने चाहिए to let the gas out, to spread it outside in the larger area. And after that, we should not touch the switch to turn it on or off. अगर light on है तो on रहने दो, अगर off है तो उसे off रहने दो. Do not touch the switches. It may cause spark, it may cause blast, आग लग सकती है और accident हो सकता है. Clear? तो आपने सबसे पहले क्या करना है? You should open all doors and windows, and after that inform the elders, inform the mechanic, or inform the gas agency. Gas agency वालों का नंबर भी सेव होना चाहिए आपके पास. Okay? So first of all, open all doors and windows. Don't touch matchbox, lighter, or switch, electric switch. And inform the gas agency, inform the elders when you see that there is gas leakage in the kitchen. Clear? Look at this picture. The girl is opening the windows because there is smell of LPG. LPG की smell आ रही है उसे, gas leakage हो रही है, and she is opening windows. Yes, good. Okay, she is following the safety rule. Then in the picture above that, mother is holding hot pan with the cloth or with the proper cloth. It's also good. Clear? Nylon catches fire. And never keep the stove on the floor. Stove देखा है आपने? This is not common these days, but it looks like this. Okay, there is kerosene filled in it, but we should, if we use it, so we should not keep it on the floor. It can be knocked over, पैर लग के गिर सकता है, और kerosene oil may spill on the floor. Floor पे kerosene spread हो सकता है. It may catch fire. It may cause the accident. Clear? So it's good if you have seen this stove, but these are not common. That's why I have shown you. Okay, stove looks like this. And nylon clothes we should never wear in the kitchen while working in the kitchen, or while playing with the crackers, while bursting the crackers during the Diwali. We should not wear the synthetic clothes or nylon clothes. Why? Why shouldn't we wear the nylon clothes? Write it. We should not wear the nylon clothes or synthetic clothes in the kitchen because they catch the fire easily. Okay? Cotton clothes इतना easy catch नहीं करते fire. जो nylon clothes हैं, they catch the fire easily. So we should not wear the nylon clothes. And another cause of fire is when we put oil in the pan and when we don't stand by the pan. Okay, हम pan से दूर चले जाते हैं, we put the oil and we keep it on the gas stove to heat it, but we forget. Sometimes phone call attend करने लग पड़ते हैं, तो when we forget, it may cause fire. So we should not get panic. What should we do in that case? If the oil in the pan catches fire, cover it with the lid. तो उसको ढक्कन से, उस पैन के ढक्कन से कवर कर देना चाहिए if fire is there. So what will happen? It will not get the oxygen from the air, air supply will be cut and fire will get extinguished. क्योंकि एयर चाहिए, आग बलती रहने के लिए, आग जलती रहने के लिए क्या चाहिए? एयर. एयर में से ऑक्सीजन चाहिए. इट इज नीडेड टू कीप द फायर बर्निंग, टू कीप द सब्सटेंस बर्निंग. सो इफ ऑक्सीजन इज नॉट देयर, फायर विल गेट एक्सटिंग्विश्ड. और वी कैन पुट बेकिंग सोडा ऑन दैट. हम उस पर बेकिंग सोडा भी डाल सकते हैं, बट डू नॉट पुट वाटर ऑन द fire if it is caused by the oil. It may cause an accident. तो ऑयल को आग लगी है पैन में, तो उस पर पानी नहीं डालना. You can cover it with the lid or you can put baking soda also. वो भी किचन में होता है. Okay बेटा? Now next, prevention from fire. ये तो था कि किचन में आग लग गई है तो कैसे हमने सेफ्टी रूल्स को फॉलो करना है कि आग लगे ही ना. बट अगर आग लग गई है तो व्हाट वी कैन डू? ओके, हाउ कैन वी प्रिवेंट इट? हाउ कैन वी? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, we should keep in mind कि to keep burning, fire needs air. Which gas is needed for burning? Oxygen. Oxygen होती है ना एयर में. So oxygen is required to keep the substance burning. If we cut off the supply of oxygen, fire will get extinguished. Can you name the gas which is used to extinguish fire? एक गैस होती है, उसको यूज करते हैं to blow off the fire. Can you name it? Do you know it? Write it in the chat box. Which gas is used to extinguish fire? Oxygen helps to burn. Without oxygen, no fire will be there. Fire extinguisher, nitrogen, no. Nitrogen keeps the process of burning under control. Yes, it is. But एक गैस है जिसकी प्रॉपर्टी है वेरी गुड, इंच. गुड आंसर, इट इज कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. क्लियर? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड में ई भी आएगी आफ्टर dioxide, DE. So carbon dioxide is the gas which helps to extinguish fire. And it is there in the fire extinguishers. It is produced, it is released by the fire extinguishers to keep the to put off the fire. Now second is pouring water over the fire. We can pour water on the fire. How does water help to put off the fire? It cools the burning substance. Okay. A substance catches fire at a particular temperature. किसी चीज को आग किसी particular temperature पे लगती है and that temperature is called its ignition temperature. Like पेपर को जल्दी आग लगती है as compared to the log of wood. तो पेपर का ignition temperature less है than wood. Clear? तो ignition temperature उस substance का temperature to keep it below ignition temperature, what can we do? We can put water to cool it. जब उसका temperature ignition temperature से low हो जाएगा तो आग अपने आप बुझ जाएगी. Okay, so we can put water. Water दो काम करेगा. First, it will cool the burning substance. It will bring the temperature of substance below its ignition temperature. और second क्या करेगा? It will cut off the supply of air. ऊपर पानी की लेयर आ जाएगी तो air supply बंद हो जाएगी. Clear? And third, never throw water if the fire is caused by electricity. Look at this. What this boy is doing? Is it right? No. Cross लगा हुआ है ना? This is not good. If the fire is caused by the electricity, so we should put mud or sand on it. Clear? We should not put water. Why? Because our body is a conductor. Water is also a good conductor of electricity. The person may get an electric shock. Clear? तो आपने देखा होगा ना कभी रेलवे स्टेशन पे जहाँ वहाँ पे पेट्रोल पंप पे ऑयल के साथ इफ द फायर इज कॉज्ड ड्यू टू ऑयल तो भी हमें वाटर नहीं डालना, बिकॉज वाटर जो ऑयल है इट इज लाइटर देन वाटर, इट मेक्स द अपर लेयर. क्लियर? वो पानी के ऊपर तैरता है ऑयल एंड फायर डज नॉट गेट एक्सटिंग्विश्ड. फायर जो आग बुझती नहीं है और ज़्यादा फैल जाती है इफ वी पुट वाटर. तो वाटर किस केस में नहीं यूज करना? फर्स्ट, इफ द फायर इज कॉज्ड ड्यू टू इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. सेकेंड, इफ इट इज कॉज्ड बाय द ऑयल. इफ ऑयल कैचेस फायर तो भी हमें पानी नहीं डालना. कोई भी ऑयल हो, चाहे वो पैन में हो, चाहे वो केरोसिन ऑयल हो, पेट्रोल हो, डीजल हो, वी शुड नॉट पुट वाटर. Clear? So we can get an electric shock if we put water on the fire caused due to electricity. Clear? So what can be used? Either sand or we can use fire extinguisher also. This is fire extinguisher. It is a device which is red in color and it is used to extinguish fire. कुछ फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर्स में फोम निकलती है, इट कट्स ऑफ द सप्लाई ऑफ एयर. कुछ में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्रोड्यूस होती है. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड की प्रॉपर्टी है इट इज यूज्ड टू पुट ऑफ द फायर, इट एक्सटिंग्विशेस फायर. ओके, ऑयल एंड वाटर, वेरी गुड Garvita. Oil and water never mix. Oil makes the upper layer, so it will not help the fire to get extinguished. Fire extinguish नहीं होगी if it is caused by oil and we are putting water, तो और बढ़ जाएगी. Clear? So what will you do if the clothes of a person catch fire? किसी के कपड़ों को आग लगी है तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए? If the clothes of a person catch fire, so we should ask the person to roll on the ground. We should ask him or her to roll on the ground. When he will roll on the ground, तो जो एयर सप्लाई इट विल बी कट ऑफ. जो उसका बॉडी पार्ट ग्राउंड को टच करेगा उस पे क्या होगा, उसको एयर सप्लाई नहीं मिलेगी, फायर विल गेट एक्सटिंग्विश्ड. सेकेंड, वी कैन पुट अ ब्लैंकेट ऑन दैट पर्सन. वी कैन यूज एनी थिक क्लोथ. जरूरी नहीं कि ब्लैंकेट ही ढूंढने जाना है, आपके पास जो भी थिक कपड़ा है, put it on that person. It will also cut off the supply of air and fire will get extinguished. Clear? So two ways are there if the clothes of a person catch fire. First is we can put a thick blanket on it, thick cloth on it to cut off the supply of air. Second, we can ask the person to roll on the ground. Okay, beta? Is it clear? Yes. Now, never throw water if the fire is caused by kerosene or petrol. Why? Write it in the chat box. अभी मैंने आपको बताया. Why shouldn't we use the water if the fire is caused due to petrol or diesel? Write it. Yes. क्यों नहीं हमें पानी डालना चाहिए? Hargun, good answer. Yes, petrol is light, very good. It is lighter than water. It will make the upper layer, it will spread on the water. Water will make the lower layer. Water will not cover the petrol. Petrol will make the upper layer because it is lighter. Kerosene is lighter. Okay, so it will not help to extinguish fire. एंड इन केस द फायर इज स्फीयर, बहुत आग लगी है, वो आप उसको नहीं बुझा पाओगे, देन डायल 101 टू कॉल द फायर ब्रिगेड. आपके पास ये नंबर सेव्ड होना चाहिए फायर ब्रिगेड वालों का. देन यू शुड कॉल द फायर ब्रिगेड इफ द फायर इज स्फीयर. ओके, ज़्यादा भयानक आग लगी है तो वी शुड कॉल द फायर ब्रिगेड. Okay, so what should we do if person's clothing catches fire? We should ask the person to roll on the ground. It will also help to cut off the supply of air and fire will get extinguished. Okay, so one more thing we should keep in mind, that is the safety tips, some personal safety tips. Okay, this includes, better listen carefully, if someone tries to touch you and you don't like that, okay, you don't feel good regarding that touch, so you should inform the parents. Doesn't matter either you are boy or girl, if someone tries to touch you, you don't like that, you should say no to that person. You should not keep that a secret. कई बार होता है ना, कोई आपको बोलता है कि किसी को मत बताना, किसी को नहीं बताना, तो भी आपने डोंट कीप इट अ सीक्रेट. यू हैव टू टेल योर एल्डर्स, यू हैव टू टेल योर पेरेंट्स. ओके, और समवन यू बिलीव, चाहे आपका बड़ा भाई बहन कोई भी जिसको आप बिलीव करते हो, यू कैन टेल दैट पर्सन. एंड डू नॉट एक्सेप्ट एनी गिफ्ट्स फ्रॉम अननोन पर्सन. And if someone asks you to come with that person, don't go anywhere without informing your parents. Clear? So never go anywhere or accept anything from someone you don't know. जिसको आप जानते नहीं हो, उससे ना तो कोई गिफ्ट लेना है और ना उसके साथ जाना है, चाहे आप फ्रेंड्स के साथ ही हो. ओके, आप 2-4 जने हो, आपको कोई बोल रहा है कहीं जाने को, तो डोंट गो. इमीडिएटली इन्फॉर्म योर एल्डर्स, योर पेरेंट्स. Clear? Now chapter 1 is over. Today I want to give one surprise test, okay, in the form of revision assignment. Before that I want to ask you if any query is there regarding chapter 1 और जो आज हमने किया, if any query is there, तो you can ask me right now. You can raise hand, ma'am will make you unmute. If some query is there regarding chapter 1 और what we have done today, जो topics आज हमने chapter 3 के cover किए हैं, if any query is there, तो you can ask me right now. Then after that, I am going to share a link in the chat box. Rajdeep ma'am will share the link. You have to solve those questions and you have to submit. वो आपकी अटेंडेंस
एक्सक्यूज मी
भी होगा. हाँ जी बेटा.
मैम, जो पोटैटो होता है मैम, वो अपने जो पोटैटो में बर्ड्स होते हैं मैम, उससे नहीं उसका प्लांट ग्रो होता है?
हाँ जी बेटा, उसी से होता है. आई हैव केप्ट एट माई होम, आई विल शो यू टुमारो. उसमें से वो बड में से प्लांट निकलना स्टार्ट हो गया है. आई विल शो इट टुमारो. यू ऑल्सो हैव टू डू इट. ओके, आप उसको कट करके 2 पार्ट्स में उसको वाटर में रख दो. जब रेनी सीजन होता है तो अपने आप ही ये ग्रो कर जाती हैं. समटाइम्स किचन में पड़े पड़े ग्रो कर जाती हैं उसमें से न्यू प्लांट्स बड में से. बट इस टाइम ड्राई है तो आप यू हैव टू कीप इट इन वाटर. ओके, उसका थोड़ा सा पार्ट, लोअर पार्ट वाटर में होना चाहिए प्लेट में, बाकी जो पार्ट है उसका इट शुड हैव अ बड. क्लियर? सो you can do that. You can grow the new plants from that part. And by the time you are asking me queries, Rajdeep ma'am, kindly paste the link in the chat box. All of you will solve the questions given in that link, Google form, and you will submit it. It's your attendance also. Clear? Otherwise हम आपके screenshots लेते हैं, but today we will not get that. Your attendance will be considered if you submit the link. जो Google form आप submit करोगे, that. Clear? It is related to chapter number 1. And you have to learn all the question answers, keywords of chapter number 1. If any some difficulty is there, so you can ask me. Now start solving. Rajdeep ma'am has shared the link. Okay.
Please check, ma'am. Check.
हाँ जी ma'am. By the time you can ask me if any query is there. Clear?